Welcome to Global Auto Hub. The Lexus RX 350 is a luxury midsize SUV that blends elegance, advanced technology, and powerful performance. It features a bold and dynamic design with a signature spindle grille, sharp LED headlights, and sleek body lines that enhance its aerodynamic efficiency. The premium craftsmanship is evident in every detail, from the high-quality materials used in the interior to the carefully designed ergonomic layout. The RX 350 offers a perfect balance of comfort and sophistication, making it an ideal choice for those who value both style and functionality. Under the hood, the Lexus RX 350 is powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that delivers 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth acceleration and responsive performance. Whether driving in the city or cruising on the highway, the RX 350 ensures a refined and composed ride. The available all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability, making it suitable for various road conditions. Additionally, Lexus has engineered the RX 350 with improved suspension and chassis tuning to offer a more engaging driving experience without compromising on comfort. The interior of the RX 350 is designed to provide a luxurious and tech-forward experience. Soft-touch materials, leather upholstery, and ambient lighting create a welcoming atmosphere. The cabin is spacious, offering ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, with available heating, ventilation, and power-adjustable options. The center console houses a large 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Lexus interface, providing seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration come standard, ensuring effortless smartphone connectivity. A premium Mark Levinson sound system is available for an immersive audio experience. Safety has always been a priority for Lexus, and the RX 350 comes equipped with the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. This suite includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. The advanced driver assist technologies work together to enhance safety and provide peace of mind on every journey. Additionally, the RX 350 features a 360-degree camera system, parking sensors, and an available head-up display to improve driver awareness. Fuel efficiency is another strong point of the Lexus RX 350. The turbocharged engine is designed to deliver power while maintaining impressive fuel economy. The front-wheel drive variant offers an estimated 22 mpg in the city and 29 mpg on the highway, while the all-wheel drive version delivers slightly lower numbers. Lexus has also focused on reducing emissions and improving engine efficiency to align with modern environmental standards. Customization options for the RX 350 allow buyers to tailor the SUV to their preferences. Lexus offers multiple trim levels, including the base RX 350, RX 350 Premium, RX 350 Luxury, and RX 350 F Sport. Each trim level comes with unique design elements and features, catering to different tastes and driving needs. The F Sport variant adds sportier styling, enhanced suspension tuning, and performance-focused upgrades for those who prefer a more dynamic driving experience. The Lexus RX 350 stands out as a well-rounded luxury SUV that excels in design, performance, technology, and safety. It offers a perfect combination of comfort and capability, making it a strong contender in its segment. Whether used for daily commuting, long road trips, or family adventures, the RX 350 delivers a premium driving experience that aligns with Lexus's reputation for reliability and refinement.